हाय गाइस, मैं हूं आपका विक्रम। मैं लेके आ गया हूं एक और एक्साइटिंग वीडियो। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं द न्यू लॉन्च, एक्सक्लूसिव लॉन्च विद टीरा इन इंडिया फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ कयाली ऊद कलेक्शन परफ्यूम्स। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द ऊद गैज़म कलेक्शन फ्रॉम द कयाली। मेरे पास चारों फ्रेग्रेंस आ गए हैं और हम उसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। लेट्स सी माय फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन। सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा फ्रेग्रेंस पसंद आया मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ। सो इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं ऑल 4 फ्रेग्रेंस के बारे में।
1, 2, 3, 4.
तो गाइज मैं लेके आ गया हूँ आप लोग के लिए ये चारों फ्रेग्रेंस। यू कैन सी दीज आर द न्यू लॉन्च कयाली फ्रेग्रेंस, कयाली ऊद गैज़म कलेक्शन। So the first one is rose oud, then we have the vanilla oud, and we have the cafe oud and the tobacco oud. So let's talk about these fragrance. Kayali Oud Gazam range mein they have focus on the oud ingredients. So oud is very rare ingredient, you can say, and it's a sweet, earthy, warm and spicy. First fragrance which I have tried out the Oud Gazam Cafe Oud. So let's talk about the fragrance. So Cafe Oud is very warm, woody fragrance. Okay. It's kind of spicy fragrance. And if we talk about the notes, so they have used, guys, you can see the notes. These are the notes they have used. So they have used the cappuccino, they have used the geranium, they have used the rose damascena, they have used the white musk, they have used the vanilla, and they have used these make this fragrance very unique. So you should definitely try this fragrance. It's very warm, woody. Some warm fragrances, they can definitely go for the cafe rose. This is bottle and the fragrance is very spicy, woody and warm. So you can go for this fragrance. The second fragrance, if we talk about the Oud Gazam collection, tobacco oud. It's again very warm, woody, spicy fragrance. Love tobacco and all, they can go for this fragrance. So we will smell this fragrance. थोड़ा थोड़ा याद दिलाता है ये टॉम फूड की, but it's a different fragrance, tobacco wood. So they have used these kind of ingredient, mandarin, white honey. Okay, they have used the vanilla, they have used the tobacco and the oud. The base note has the oud. So again, it's a very warm and woody fragrance. I like this fragrance, so I will recommend you all. The third fragrance, we have the vanilla oud. If someone is there who wants to smell sweet and you can say spicy, ambery fragrance, they can definitely go for this vanilla oud fragrance. Let's smell this. Yes, it's very sweet, it's very fruity, you can say fruity, sweet and warm fragrance. Definitely they can go for this. The last fragrance I'm going to show you, which is something very unique in this range. So the last one, rosewood, you can say rosewood. And if you see the ingredient, they have used the lemon, they have used the geranium, they have used the Bulgarian rose, they have used the Cashmere wood, they have used the wood, and they have used the vanilla. So again the unique ingredients, and we'll just try the fragrance. Rosewood is very fresh floral fragrance. मुझे तो fragrance बहुत अच्छा लगा है. It's very unique. You can go for it if you wanna smell good. So you can definitely go for it. And if we talk about the price, 13,150 rupees for the 50 ml. So in India now only 50 ml is available. So 100 ml we will get. So you can go for it. If you liked it, like and subscribe my channel.